Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Workspace data with Vault Export step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Google Workspace account. Navigate to the Google Vault application. Once in Vault, locate the search section on the left side menu. Choose the type of data you wish to backup, such as Gmail, Drive, or Chat. For Gmail, click on Gmail and select the relevant search criteria like date range or specific users. After setting your parameters, click on the Search button. Review the search results to confirm they include the data you need. Once satisfied, click on the Export option. In the Export settings, select the desired format for your backup file. Choose to include or exclude certain elements, as necessary. Proceed by clicking the Export button to initiate the process. You will see a notification indicating the export is in progress. Wait for the export to complete, this may take several minutes. After completion, navigate to the Export section in Vault. Here, you will find the export file listed. Click on the file name to download it to your computer. Once downloaded, ensure to store the backup in a secure location. Repeat these steps for any additional data types you need to backup. By following these steps, you can efficiently backup your Google Workspace data using Vault exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.